Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a beginner smoky eye. So I already have my brows done and my eyes already primed. I primed the eyes with the ColourPop Party Proof Eye Primer. This is one of my favorite eye primers. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I thought that this palette would be perfect for a beginner friendly smoky eye. I'm going to start with the color Transition, which is this shade. And we are going to apply this to the crease. Now I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A11. This is like my favorite brush to apply shades in the crease. It's amazing. So I'm just going to apply this shade first in the crease. I want to get it all the way, like right by the nose and up towards the brow as well. Same thing to the other eye. Then with actually the Morphe and Ariel brush number A25, I'm going to take the color Blend and apply this directly below the transition shade. And a little bit in the outer corner. Okay, to deepen up the outer corner, I'm going to take the color Smoke just to kind of smoke out the outer corner. I'm going to take the Morphe and Ariel brush number A20 and we're going to place the color Smoke on the outer part of the eye. Kind of slightly in the crease as well. Next, I want to apply a shimmer shade. So actually my favorite shimmer shade in this palette is this one right here. It's the Inner Corner shade. I'm going to apply this to the lid. So we are going to take, I'm going to take the color Lash Line, and we are going to smoke out the lash line. I'm going to take the Morphe and Ariel brush number A18 and first just line the lash line, and we're going to take another brush just to smudge everything. I'm going to take this brush from Sephora, this is the smudger brush, and just kind of smudge it, kind of going at an angle, but also upwards. You could add more if you need to, like I'm going to do on this eye. And then last thing I'm going to do for the eyes is I'm going to use a Super Shock shadow. This from ColourPop. This is in the color Ritz. It's my favorite shade from the Super Shock shadow from ColourPop. We're going to apply this right on the lid. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just kind of clean up the edges. Now we can do the complexion. Okay, I'm going to come back with lashes on, and then we can continue doing the eye look. Okay, so I just applied my lashes, and I used the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 815. So I picked up a new pair because all the previous lashes that I got that were the same ones, one of the lashes or both of the lashes were kind of messed up, and this pair of lashes are not messed up at all. So I was really, really excited. So now we are going to continue doing the eyes. I actually forgot one mascara. Be right back. My favorite mascara for the bottom lashes is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This one is the waterproof one, and it's amazing. And this one is in, I think black is black? No, very black. So I'm going to apply this to the bottom lashes first. I like to apply bottom lash mascara first before I go in with any eyeshadow, just so I can, if I get any mascara on the bottom lash, I can kind of clean it up before I go in with any shadows. Okay, now we're going to go back into the palette. So we are first actually going to take, let's take the blend shade. I'm going to take this one from Shanny. This is the 32 brush set. This is number 14. I'm going to apply this to the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to take the color Smoke and apply this on the very outer lower lash line. I don't really put shimmer on the lower lash line, but I'm starting to do that now. I'm going to take the same shimmer shade and apply that right into the center of the lower lash line. Okay, the Bible verse of the day is Matthew 9:37 and 38. That one's a little bit of a longer one, so I'm going to be putting it into, write it in the description. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!